Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This is layout number 1 using the yesterday and today paper pack sticker sheet, the coordinating cardstock, and the vellum die cuts. So I am taking one of the pattern papers here. I'm going to cut 4 inches by 12 off, but first I'm cutting off the branding strips. That's what you see me do here now. And then I flip, after I cut my 4-inch by 12-inch off, I flip the opposite side. And normally I would use washi tape to secure both those together. So this is a great way to get a different look using one 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And then sometimes I back it right onto cardstock, or I'll back it onto maybe a 12 by 12 sheet of paper that was in a paper pack, and I didn't care for the one side, and generally the opposite side is white, and that's what I did for this layout. I did it off camera. I'm going to take this photograph of these 2 beagles, and I'll come back to the story about the beagles, and I am going to triple mat it. The first mat is the French Vanilla by Close to My Heart. The next one is Espresso, and then the next one is going to be the black cardstock. Then I'm going to make another mat that's going to go right behind the photographs, going right across. You're going to see it. It's going to serve as 2 purposes. It's going to make the photograph pop more. It's going to be a landing place for my embellishments, and it's going to serve as a small purpose for a little bit of journaling. So that's going to be awesome. So right here, I'm trying to decide, what do I want? I just wanted to bring some more attention to that photograph, and that's where I put the black going across. And I said, why don't I triple mat it just like I did on the photograph, right? And then an afterthought, after I started securing those 2 elements down, I decided I wanted to add some ribbon that's made out of material, and it is where you pull the thread and it's rough on the end, which brought some more texture and dimension to the photograph. And you're going to see that's an afterthought. Here I'm getting ready to put that photograph down, and thank goodness I didn't push too hard. So now I'm going to gently lift that strip, you're going to see, but before I do that, I want to test the ribbon, the material ribbon I want to use. So you can see I have a caramel, an off-white, and a white. So the caramel, I'm like, nah, I'm not feeling it. So then I brought out the off-white, and I'm like, yes, that's going to be perfect. And then you're going to see me bring in the double-sided roll of double-sided adhesive. I'm trying to think, it's sticky both sides, and I purchased that from scrapbook.com. So that's scrapbook.com where I purchased that. And then I'm going to put the 2 strips down, and then the top half, I'm going to just peel back that top half to make sure that I get my ribbon started out straight. And then I'll take it all the way down, and that just works perfect. So that's just a little tip if you ever struggle trying to adhere a long strip of ribbon. And I'm just so happy that I did this, and my paper did not rip behind the mat at all. You're going to see that here in just a second. This heritage collection can be used to document more than just people type photographs. It can also be used from way in the 1900s all the way to now. Okay, it just depends on your photograph. So I'm going to show you how I do this using this collection. All right. Also, I have a friend, Becky and Kathy, very close friends from Mini Kit Monday ladies. And I know that Becky's already posting layouts using the workshop kit Kathy right now is posting Seize the Day, which is a beautiful summer collection. I think she's going to use yesterday and today, but you need to go check out their videos as well to get some ideas. All right, so now I have everything triple matted, and I got out the vellum die cuts, and I'm going to place a cluster over here in the right that's fairly large, and I'll use another vellum piece over to the left. I did not edit this part out. This is exactly how long it took me to make this decision right here. Now I'm going to move on to, let's see, oh, I was using the gems. They're the gold gems from Close to My Heart. I forgot to mention that earlier. I did purchase that. And I think it also will come, the gold gems will come with the workshop kit. All right, so you see me putting foam adhesive on the back of this ephemera piece. This is an old clothy ephemera piece from Prima from 2013, and it has that resist in there. So you can use watercolors, you can use mist sprays, you can use like the Tim Holtz Distress Games, you know, the liquid one, not your paints. The acrylic paints will not move on this resist type cloth, unless I guess you were to really water it down. I used Mr. Huey's Color Mist in dark calico, and it's a dark brown. And this is the only Misty Huey's Color Mist that I have left, but I used to collect all of these, and I used them all up, but the brown lasts a lot longer because it's not something that you gravitate to a lot. So anyway, and I just missed that some on some acetate and then really watered it down, and then just used a very large flat paintbrush and just went across that ephemera piece made out of material. All right, so I've got my cluster over to the right where it says love, and then the two stickers below are from the sticker sheet from yesterday and today. And then over to the upper left, I have another ephemera piece from that Prima, and I removed it. I think you already saw that, but I have the die cut from yesterday and today and a sticker that says, love this family, because the dogs are family, and then that came from the sticker sheet. And then there's another sticker right underneath that. I'm adding the gems, and then I'm going to come back and do the journaling over there to the left. And then I will take that Mr. Huey's Color Mist in that dark calico, which is a dark brown, and I'll splatter that. That's what I'm going to do right now. And this layout is complete. All right, guys, you can recreate. This is a very simple, but look at how elegant and cool that is, that layout. All right, the picture is about two beagles back in 1991 that my husband had. They were his hunting beagles, and he spoiled them rotten. His friends would give him a hard time because most hunting dogs, they leave them, you know, they don't cuddle them a lot because they feel like they're not going to be good hunting dogs. Not these two beagles. They were awesome beagles. He kept them in the house, and their name, the first one you see right in front of you, is Jethro, and the one behind is Bodean. All right, they have passed, and they're in doggy heaven. I appreciate you all. Get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. You like anything you see, there's my contact information. Give me a thumbs up, and have a fabulous day.